Kainga mo paspas mai Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2016. Miss Anna Lata Ifeleunga Falala.
Miss Appraxus New Zealand, kau ni umai taimini, o ne te unga whakamau le taimini.
To the land of the long white clouds, New Zealand, then to the drums of the Pacific, the Cook Islands, through to the cradle of Polynesia, Samoa, then to the kingdom, the friendly islands of Tonga. Join me in this journey on finding my identity through dance and beautiful songs composed by my ancestors. Kapahaka, it's a way to showcase our heritage and cultural Polynesia identity through song and dance. Waiataringa, songs with hands are described as shimmering over the ocean or a soft breeze. Poi is used to showcase the beauty and gracefulness of a woman. The pukana is used to express words to give the word more meaning during the performance.
Heilala Pageant. Kone haka koia, haka kau Maori.
Wapeke o te rangi I runga I toku kainga.
Cook Islanders are known for their hospitable and generous, if somewhat reserved nature. Cook Islands cleave to their customary way of life and culture, like participating in sacred ritual, usually performed by a female who moves her body to tell a story, accompanied by intense drumming by at least 5 drummers. Moving the hips, legs, and hands give off different gestures to audience to tell a tale, typically related to the natural landscape such as the ocean and birds, flowers, but also feelings of love and sadness. A dance of life, entranced by the slow, fluid movements of the Samoan siva, as the dancer tells a story with her hands and glides across the floor, seemingly weightless, moving and dancing like gods and goddesses. Just being Samoa, it's all about humanity and serving others as a chance to express ourselves through dance.
Siva va Samoa.
As a young woman with values passed through from generation to generation, I stand here before you as a proud Tongan woman. This is my identity.
Tonga.
I show obedience to my family through virtue, with the shining hands of the coconut oil, performing flourish wrist movements as my eyes follow every movement. From time to time, a smile is shown, giving hope that we as Tongans unite as one to better our future. Malo alpito du afatu.
Koe lawele ia e tareniti. Koe le hanga whakariari hono tupuanga. Hau I ngai tuku mo te Pasifiki, whao si mai ki Tonga.
Kainga mo paspas mai Miss Appraxus New Zealand 2016.